CM Arvind Kejriwal will not be heading to the Rajya Sabha. This comes amid the speculations following the Aam Aadmi Party's decision to field the Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora for the Ludhiana West by-election. But sources from the Aam Aadmi Party camp saying that Arvind Kejriwal will not be going to the Rajya Sabha. Isha is joining us with that update. So Isha, amid these speculations on whether Arvind Kejriwal is headed to the upper house, the Aam Aadmi Party sources saying that it's not the case. What are the details?
Right, Pratibha. So definitely there was a speculation, like Teshri was also stating, that Arvind Kejriwal may actually make his way towards Rajya Sabha because let us be, Arvind Kejriwal has been away from the public eye since he has lost the New Delhi seat. In fact, even after losing the election, he has not made any press conference, he has not interacted with the media, he's been away from the limelight. So definitely there was speculation that he is making attempts to come back into the limelight, but now the Aam Aadmi Party sources have completely denied this. They've stated that this is a rumor. Arvind Kejriwal will not be moving towards the Rajya Sabha. In fact, the house that he is also currently staying in belongs to an MP only from Punjab. So he does definitely have the support of his MPs. But the question that comes to the fore is Arvind Kejriwal has been away from the political glare, from the fray, from all the limelight. But party sources have confirmed at times now that Arvind Kejriwal may not move towards the Rajya Sabha. Some other leaders, Pratibha, some other senior leader, his or her name may come up. But as of now, the confirmation that we're getting is that these are mere rumors. Like Priyanka Kakkar in her conversation with Teshri also dismissed these rumors. But now sources have also confirmed that he will not be moving towards Rajya Sabha. Back to you.
All right. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have also spoken up. Spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party also speaking up amid these speculations. Let's listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल सर की बात है तो मीडिया के सूत्र पहले कह रहे थे कि वो पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, अब मीडिया के सूत्र कह रहे हैं कि वो राज्यसभा से लड़ेंगे। ये दोनों सूत्र बिल्कुल गलत हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आम आदमी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय संयोजक हैं। मैं मानती हूं कि उनकी डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है, पर वो किसी एक सीट पर सीमित नहीं है।